Hey guys, it's Chelsea here with Outside Canadian on YouTube, and we got a crazy collab here. I just had to join in and see if I'd win. It is Molson Canadian and Roots, probably the most Canadian companies you can think of. So I won the little competition and they sent me this. We're gonna do a little unboxing. Very handy, very handy. Oh, the beetle is so cute. So we get the cozy, the Roots thing on, Molson on the other side. In a very limited edition can. Looks like they're not intended for sale. Pretty freaking cool. So that's gonna go on my shelf forever. Absolutely love it. And look at all the little peanuts. Thanks Molson, thanks Roots. Love the combo. I know this was just a short video, but if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Outside Canadian. I'll do more videos like this.